What is up, and in this preview video I'm going to just unbox this not sponsored product from Mr. Bonsai's vape accessories. Yep, that's right, we got more coils in, and this is just an unboxing part because I'm going to do a real quick Puffco video that's like on point. So alright, then we gotta open this. That's all it is. Being gentle. Whoa, he sent the grommet. He sent the stand too. My guy. Oh my god. Oh my god. He said fuck it, send him a 3D printed base. I said okay. Thank you, Mr. Bonsai. Ooh, look at that. Thank you, Mr. Bonsai. I swear, you are awesome, and I'm probably only going to order from you. But, I ordered a hefty portion of these things. Got, right there. As you can see. He sent me a new banger too. He sent me a new banger insert. Oh my god! And he sent me some more grommets and another one of these jigs. What a fucking day, yo! All I can say is thank you, Mr. Bonsai. I'm gonna be making some real nice video content about rebuilding these coils next. This shit sucks compared to what I'm doing next because it's all scripted and it's really cool and concise. So we are going to do that real soon. Just watch, wait, and see, folks. Peak quartz inserts. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, so I hope everybody's excited as I am, and if you're not, you will be as excited as I am, because I'm gonna pass it through this camera to you. So let's get started after I do little show, little show. Oop, oop, oop. Yeah, you can't really see it that well, but thank you, Mr. Bonsai. You are the motherfucking man. Let's get into this.